just got in from Lake Michigan, out trying for some salmon. Got a small salmon, I got steelhead, but I'm going to show you how I clean a steelhead. For me, steelhead only go on the grill or they go in the oven. That's the only way I cook them. Salmon, they either get canned or they get smoked. It's the only way I eat them. But there's a real fast way if what you're looking to do is gut and gill your trout, and this will work for any trout, whether it's a streamline trout or anything like that. If you grill them, chances are all you do is gut and gill them, and I'll show you a real fast way to get that done. It takes just minutes. First, you want to start with a good knife and a sharpener. Make sure your knife is good and sharp. This one's already sharp. Then you're going to start at the anus. You're just going to slice up all the way to the gills, all right? In between the fins, go straight up and stop just shy of the crossover in the gills right here, okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to grab that and just snap it. Just like that, freeze it up, okay? Then take the entire gill. It's like a real heavy bone and you'll feel it in there. You'll be able to grab it. It's very easy to grab. Once you grab that, you're just going to start tearing it back. What this is going to do is it's going to remove these two side fins and pull all the guts right out of this fish. So I got a good hold of it right here. Just start pulling back. Pin down the head with one hand and start pulling back. There the fins came off. Here come all the guts. Straight into the garbage can. Now you can see your fish is completely gutted. This right here is the kidneys. What we're going to do is we're going to just turn our fish around. If I can get it to unstick off the table here. Drape it over the trash can. Take 2 fingers right in the back. Press down and start sliding forward. And you'll see they'll slide right out of the carcass. And that's that. Pull those out. Oh, got a little piece of funk here. There we go. Let your fish drain. And then take it right into the sink for the rinse. And that's it. That's how you gut and gill a trout. Real quick. It's just one slice, pull, and you're done. Rinse it out real good. Wrap it up, freeze it, whatever you're going to do. There you go.